What if the future of medicine isn't just found inside labs and machines, but in remembering how we used to heal? Foundational medicine is the bridge between two worlds, the wisdom of the ancients and the precision of modern science. Together, they form a powerful system that works with your body and not against it. Your body is composed of trillions of cells. These tiny powerhouses are constantly talking, adjusting, and regenerating. When your cells are nourished, your body thrives. But when they're stressed or inflamed, that's when things start to break down. We live in a world full of invisible stressors, from environmental toxins to emotional burnout, from poor sleep to processed foods. And it all impacts your cells, the root of your energy, focus, mood, and immunity. Foundational medicine doesn't chase symptoms with quick fixes. It asks deeper questions. It gets to the why and gives your body what it's truly missing. Most chronic conditions stem from the same place: dysfunction at the cellular level. When you heal your cells, you heal your whole body. This is where the magic happens. When we stop dividing medicine into natural and scientific and realize that true healing honors both. Imagine waking up with real energy, clear mind, calm mood, and restful sleep. Because when your cells are in harmony, your whole life transforms. Foundational medicine is not about choosing sides. It's about restoring the whole picture, reconnecting ancient roots with today's science. This is the future of healthcare, rooted in science, guided by wisdom, focused on you, the whole complex, beautifully interconnected you. Healing doesn't start with a diagnosis. It starts when we remember that your body is designed to heal, and with the right support, it will.